Today we're going to unbox the EDA50 from Honeywell. We're going to remove the literature, take out the battery, remove the unit from its packaging, pull out the USB cable that's provided, and the charger adapter. The charger adapter, you actually receive several different adapters for different countries, including the United Kingdom, India, Europe, and the United States, North America. So take your appropriate adapter from the country you're using this in. Place it in the middle here. Lock it into place. If you're removing in the future, there's a button that you can press to release that by pushing it down, sliding it out again. The USB cable simply plugs in at the bottom, just as a standard USB. And then you have a micro USB connector for the other end. On the unit itself, at the very bottom, you'll see there's a USB icon. You just simply lift the rubber slab up and plug that in, and then into power. To put the battery in, at the top of the unit in the back, there is a locking lever. You just simply press down and slide to the right. Remove the battery cover. Then take your battery, which has a plastic lifter for when it's in place, so you know which side is the top, which is going to be your text here, not the text on the bottom. Looking at the device with the text on the front, your serial number is here, where it has SN and the number, the barcode. You're then going to take the battery, and then with the text upside down, you're going to put in the top first, and then press down and click into place. Then again, take your cover, text facing towards the bottom of the device, press down and hold the cover, and then lock into place. Power button is on the left-hand side of the top. Just press and hold down until the device starts to power up.